How to add a business to your Yelp collection. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to keep track of your favorite spots or place where you want to try later, well, in this video I'll show you how to add any business to a Yelp collection in just few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply search for the business that you want to add to your collection. You can do it by tapping on the search bar at the top and simply searching for the business near your location. And here, once you are on the business page, you can just tap on the bookmark icon, and it's usually in the top right corner, and this lets you to save the business. And here, after tapping the bookmark, a menu will pop up with your existing collection. So choose one of them or tap create a new collection to start fresh. And once you have selected the collection, Yelp will confirm that the business was added, and that's it. Now you can organize your favorite place by type, occasion or city all in one places. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.